break the mental chains, learn English with the elephant story. During an expedition led by a group of researchers deep in the tropical rainforest, something unusual caught their attention. They stopped in surprise when they saw a massive elephant standing calmly with one of its legs tied by a thin rope to a small tree. The researchers were puzzled. How could such a strong, powerful creature be restrained by something so weak? It was obvious that the elephant could easily snap the rope or even uproot the tree if it wanted to. One of the researchers approached a member of the local tribe and asked, "Why doesn't the elephant try to escape?" The elder smiled and replied, "When this elephant was young, we used to tie it with this same kind of rope. At that time, it wasn't strong enough to break free. Over time, it got used to that weakness and came to believe the rope was stronger than it. As the elephant grew larger and stronger, that belief grew with it until it became a prison in its mind, not in reality. The rope never changed, but the elephant stopped trying, convinced it couldn't break it." Lessons learned. One, the real chains are not always around us. They are often within us. Two, what we believe about ourselves can be more powerful than the truth. Three, trying is sometimes all it takes to realize your true strength. Four, don't let your past define your present or limit your future. Five, breaking mental chains is the first step toward true freedom and success.